saying sorting data. What do you mean by sorting data? Let me show you Q1 or example 1. Example 1 says that copy this data and paste it here. Example 1 says that go by product, go by year, city wise sales. How will you go for doing it? Go by product. So you go for data and do a sort and is a custom sorting. Select the first field as a product field and say OK. The moment you say OK, it's showing sorting in ascending order by product, which is going to Apple, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo. That means it is going alphabetically A to Z order. Example 2. Example 2 says that go for sorting data by product and year wise. You select this all, go to sort the data by product, go by year wise, A to Z, or smallest to largest. You can read data now Apple for 2010, then 2011, Acer 2010, Acer 2011, Acer 2012. So this is how you sort the data here. Next, I copy this. I go for pasting here. This is called example 3. In this, I want to sort data by city, by year wise, product wise sales. How should I do this? I go for sorting data first by city, then year, then city wise sales. What is happening here? Product wise sales. What is happening? This is called Bangalore for 2010, and this is called city in ascending order. The sales is given. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now somebody says, hey, could you please give me by year wise, product wise, city sales? How to do that? The question is year wise, product wise, city sales. How will do that? Year wise, product wise, city wise sales. Can you see this? 2010, the product which has been sold out Acer by Bangalore, Chennai, and Mumbai. This is how. Yes.
Sir, order doesn't matter or doesn't matter. Product, year, city, sales. When you add the level or add.
I come to that. This is the example which I'll give you. Now, there's a question, guys. In the interview, they'll ask you. Example 5. Somebody is asking you, hey, could you please give me in 2010 in Bangalore, which is the product having highest sales? In 2010 in Bangalore, which is the product is having highest sales? How will you answer this? Go for sorting data here. Selecting this, say year wise, city wise. Now your sales should be in descending order, largest to smallest. Did you get that? In 2010 in Bangalore, which is the product is having highest sales in Bangalore?
HP.
Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
2010 in Chennai, which is the product that highest sales?
Dell.
In Mumbai, Apple.
Apple.
Right. Now I want to ask you a question, guys. You need to answer. This question goes to Avijit. Avijit, tell me. Tell me, year-wise, product-wise, highest selling cities. How will you get it?
First, go to sort, then add year first, then city, then
Year product-wise?
Product-wise, then city.
No, not city. It is sales in descending order.
Okay.
Then you can easily get that.
Okay, so
Yes,
first
sir.
we have, according to the questions, we have to filter like.
Right.
Okay.
Now you say, Acer in 2010, where is the highest selling happening?
Yes, Mumbai.
Right. Apple 2010, where the highest selling is happening.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Right.
So my doubt is now getting clear. So we have to go according to the questions. First we have
Yes.
to.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Understood, guys? How to go about sorting data? So anybody is going to ask you data and asking for the sorting criteria. Will you be able to do that now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 100%.
Okay. Done, guys. So if it is the case, let's have a test. I give you a test now. It's a random test going to happen. Student name, year, subject, and score. Student name is Lipu. Lipu in 2010, 2018 as Python R SQL. Student name is Ravi, right? In 2018, score something here. Guys, please go on mute. Both of you, please go on mute. Please. Thank you. This guy also scored 2019. This guy also scored in 2020. And the score is random between 10 to 100. So it will take random number between 10 to 100 here. As a control C, pay special and the values. Now my question goes to Avijit here. Avijit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell me in 2018 who is the highest scorer in SAS?
You know, first we have to sort year wise.
So you are saying I'll take all the 4 columns, sort the data in year wise. Okay.
First year wise, then we go to the subject.
Subject.
Then we go to the name.
No. You
Then
go
we go
to
to the score.
score in descending order, largest to smallest. Now you tell me 2018 SAS who is the highest scorer?
2000 highest score 98. Lipu
98. Where is written 98?
38. Oh, 38.
Right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you understand how to answer this question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Ramat this side. Sir, is it possible to do these things, the filtering data?
You can.
The same,
But
the
without
same, the
sorting,
same
how to
thing.
filter data.
That's
Right? So you have to sort the data first, then go for filtering.
okay.
Now tell me, guys, if I really want to see Python, who is the highest scorer in 2019? How should I do that?
First we go for subject.
First we go for
Sort.
subject.
Year.
Subject. Year.
Subject year and
Score.
Score.
In
Largest.
Descending order.
so I can find out Python 2018 who is the highest scorer, Python 2019, Python 2020 who is the highest scorer.
Ravi.
Got it, guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we understood about sorting data.